Alright, I need a stance. So I'm gonna put this on here like that. Get that up to about here. Boom, boom. Alright, one done. One to go. Y'all know this wall. Y'all seen this wall. If y'all watch the channel, you've seen this wall before. We want to see if Final Cut, DaVinci, or Premiere has the best in-software voice noise reduction software algorithm majiggy. I don't mind the colors changing. Y'all like colors? Alright, let's check our frame. My name is Braxton Holly and this is my YouTube channel. Right now, we're testing out the difference between Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. And which one has the best, voice isolation or noise cancellation feature. Interesting.
Turn your head this way a little bit, chin out, and down. Oh, there she goes. Beautiful, beautiful. Hold her right there, Now give me that, now what I want you to do is place your hands on your heels. I just want, yes, right there. And bring them down just a little bit. Okay. Drop your shoulders. Okay. Yeah, and bring your hand down just a little more, about right there. Yes, and now bring this down just a little bit. This? Like instead of like this.
You want me to relax?
Yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Hold it right there and now give me a little blush. A quiet smile. Yes.
And she don't believe in blush.
Okay.
She makes other people.
Okay, well, tell me which one sounds best to you. That's all I got. Adios, my friends. Make sure whatever you create is high quality.